16th of June, Father's Day, 2024. Degrees, going to a high of 94, down to 69, 92, and 71 tomorrow. We're going to go into town today to get some video, work our way back to Rome. What are you doing here, I wonder? The road's in good shape. This is US Highway 29. Headed north, but we are between Athens, coming up on Arcade. So we're between Athens and Jefferson. We're going to get video of North DeKalb today. They're going to be tearing North DeKalb down. Building, I think, 1,700 multifamily, 150, 60 something townhouses, single family, dining, shopping, 50-room motel. That area and that intersection, North Druid Hills, Valley Brook, US Highway 29 is very congested already. It'll be interesting to see what that's like when they get it completed. Also plan on going into Decatur, maybe tracing some of the creeks. I said Peachtree Creek, the South Fork of the Peachtree Creek, Burnt Fork Creek, which goes to Decatur Waterworks, Old Decatur Waterworks, the creek that comes out of Glen Lake or comes through Glen Lake, maybe the creek that comes out of from East Ponce over right before you get into Scottdale if you're leaving Decatur. This one is 4 minutes long. We're going to turn this one off. This will be an introduction to the Father's Day videos.